this is the community of American truck drivers. Welcome to another video.
Crash Recon said they want us to walk through, so now I gotta, with our body camera, so, okay. Okay. Doing all right? Yeah. Excellent. I can't even finish what we're going through here. Right. John, X-Ray Robert 7761, Ohio.
I was on the other side, I did the same.
Okay.
It's not much left of anything.
Okay. You doing all right?
Yeah.
All right. Just checking on you. Huh?
I think right now we're at 3.
Oh, yeah.
There's one trapped in there that's still talking.
That's good.
One of the fatals was this car right here.
Okay. Where are the other two on the other side?
They're underneath. That red semi being held up by the crane.
Okay.
They're underneath that.
Okay. LT call you to do your walk around with this? Is that?
No, he didn't. I just
Okay.
did it.
I'm gonna walk around. I guess Recon called. and wanted us to walk around.
Be out at the 91, wait for TBD. Break.
The vehicles for the field, so I'll just use yours.
That's fine, I'll tag it.
Hey, we got a dash cam.
On that one? Okay.
It's actually...
It was in there. We cut the windshield off. I think it's the one that got passed.
Okay, do you know which one it was?
It's the this car here. No, it was in the first unit. One back over there.
Okay.
The one of the DOAs.
Okay. All right. Do you know which one? That was one from the commercial?
I can walk you to it.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
All right. Yeah.
Just so we know where it came from.
Trailer, Tom 63, one X-ray, Tom 63.
That one.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Perfect. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Maybe it might help. I don't know.
Well, anything will help at this point.
Yeah.
Can't hurt. Thank you.
Yep.
I'm going to give this to you.
Hopefully it's...
Yeah, I mean,
Get something out of
yeah, all we can do is try.
I want to see the forward face.
Sorry? Just stand by at this point. I mean, I don't know what else you can do.
Watching 1423. She walk in the incident will have a dash camera device from one of the vehicles involved. I'll be storing in my vehicle. Okay. That's right. I'll bring our muscle here to wrap the hood. 1531, any units on scene? Are you by any of the school buses? Can we get one of them back here to transport from MB4 to the hotels off of the 118? Okay. There's one actually backing out. You might be headed that way now. I'll double check. Okay, we just have a bunch of people that are ready to go to the house. Are they still in the westbound lanes? Right, they're going east and the west, so we'll have to pull them up. I mean, they're still in there if you want to flag them down if you see them driving away. Okay.
vertical guy and the white truck.
Are you one of the drivers?
Yeah.
Because they're taking everybody to the maintenance building. You should be going over there to one of the buses.
Oh, okay.
So that you're not getting too cold.
This is the orange truck. This is got one guy inside the car, the white car.
They're getting them.
No, this one is the older one.
Right, I know there's people over there working too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I see for two hours ago.
One of those days, right? I don't think anybody's there at this point.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.